With the YouTube revenue, I said that you should concentrate. If you go into your YouTube studio analytics, I said you should concentrate more on how many views your channel is bringing in as a whole channel rather than how much views you are bringing in per video. Because if you look at the last 1 hour, how many views your channel as a whole brought in the last 1 hour, that is the last 60 minutes, then if you were able to maintain that at a certain level, that's indicative of how much revenue you will be making. So if you're previously focusing on how much money your channel is making in the last 90 days, scrap that. You need to know how much your channel as a whole is making you every hour. Basically, yeah. So you really need to be studying your YouTube analytics to be seeing this. And also, oh yeah, another way to increase your revenue is yeah, if you go into your YouTube Studio Analytics and you go to the Revenue tab and then you change it from last 28 days to last 7 days, you can see the video, the most current video on your channel that's bringing you the most money. So then what you do is copy the link of that video and you need to be promoting that on your community tab, and not only once a day. You need to be flooding your community tab with your most expensive, for the video that's making you the most money, shall we say. Yeah, you need to be promoting it. And also you can drop that link on other social media platforms of yours as well, especially if it's a short video. You can just drop it there because you won't be worried too much about retention and people clicking on and off your video. So that should be fine, especially if it's a short video. Yeah, so